What's going on, guys? Today I'm back with a new unboxing video with these headphones by Oneodio. The link will be in the description for these earphones. But guys, remember to subscribe to this channel, and I have created a second channel where I will be making gaming videos. There will be more information in that, and the link will be in the description for my gaming channel, as I will no longer be making gaming videos on this channel. It will just be mainly unboxing and reviewing stuff. And let's get into this unboxing. So guys, opening this, well, when I first got it, the box was quite small, so let's just get, so you just get 2 years warranty, then you get the manual, and then you get some nice packaging, which is quite nice, which reminds me of the gaming headset video I made, and if you haven't watched that, the link will be in the description. And then you just get a wire. So let's get into opening this. So guys, the good thing is you can actually fold these up, so it would be quite compact. So if you want to take it on the go, it would be quite good. And then you can open it. So if you they are wireless, but if you want to connect it, say, to your phone or something, there is one cable over here, which I think this is a volume control as well. If the camera would like to focus. And then there's another one for charging it as well. So yeah guys, let's go move on to the review now and how much everything is. Moving on to the pros and cons now. So the price is $39.99 and it has a leather pouch, but some people might prefer a hard pouch. But guys, there's multiple ways you can put it into your pouch. So if I take it out and I want it like this, I can change it around, for instance. So let's just open it quickly. So I might want to just put it this way. I can put it like this and put it into my case. So there's many different ways I can actually put the Oneodios into my case. But guys, so it has 30 hours playtime. It has a 40mm drive. The bass and sound is quite good. So it has an aux cable, and the aux cable looks like this. So it is quite long. Okay, and there's a control over here, and it won't tug out easily because it's got like this bit in it, and it's got full media control, so you can like volume and stuff. It's got some nice leather foam pads, and it's got a nice headband bit over here with the stitching. But guys, moving on to the cons. So the mic can only be used with this aux cable. As you can see over here, there's like a small hole that you usually next to it, and it's a micro USB, so it's not a type C. And if you're using the aux cord, when you use it, you only can use the functions on the aux cord. So these functions, you can't actually use the ones which are on the mic. So let's just show you that one. So the functions over here, so like the volume up and stuff, you can't use these functions. Fittings are okay, but it feels like they're touching your ears, but it'll be better for like someone who has smaller ears. And but after a little bit of time, you might adjust to it, and some people might not like the leather pads because they might rip or something. But overall, it's quite nice. The fitting's quite nice, and this, you can open it as well a bit more, and then close it as well. And guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next video.